feminism is just around gender equality, but not only gender equality, but also gender equity, to kind of bring up women up front, or maybe in front. Especially, we know that historically women have been underrepresented in so many spheres, and they have not been given opportunity to be at the top. Every time I tell people that I'm a feminist, the first impression they get is, are you against men? The fact that gender equality is like, we want to be equal to men. So most of them ask me, do you want to be like a man? Do you want to, do what men do, like everything? The issue of misrepresentation comes from an informed view. The reason why he mentioned that there are two types of feminism, the ones who claim they're against men, basically they're not even informed. Most of them even just hear that feminists are like this, they want to take over, they want to, and all that. Maybe they just heard it from someone, and then they also took it upon themselves that is what feminism means. But I thank Wikimedia Foundation for this session, that we're really able to learn exactly what feminism is. And I think if we get out of this door, we are going to have a knowledge of what exactly feminism and feminists are.